Students, I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri Neat Chemistry. So today important first announcement is there is no any plan of postponing of a NEET and regarding your entire information. So you focus, be focused and prepare for your NEET of September 13 as per the schedule. Okay, second point is now today I am going to upload the AIMS Cuisine 2010. Okay, what is the instruction they are giving is the regarding the AIMS or NEET, whatever may be JEE, past 10 years questions, we are going to get the previous year questions. We are going to get 30 to 40% of the question will be the previous year. So you practice well of the previous year questions. So that is the important instruction. So based on the instruction, today I am going to give the one AIMS question. Lesson is hydrocarbon. Okay, the reactant is here. This is your reactant, children. This with that you can stop it. So this is the reactant in presence of sulfuric acid, water, mercuric sulfate as a reagent. It gives the product P. And what is the P? Okay, already I told regarding the organic chemistry, the reagent is very important. Okay, what is this reagent is indicating? It is the addition of water, or we can call it as a hydration reaction. First you are identifying. Then come and see the reagent. So you have to add the water mean where we can add is only across the double bond only we can do. That is, I told it is the addition. So among the ring it is not possible. So this is the place we have to focus it. Point number 1. So it is addition. Second one is on the double bond. Third one is what is going to rule it? Stability of carbocation. So what is it? Your tertiary, secondary, primary. This is the stability of carbocation. So based on that only I am going to approach the answer. Okay, now let us write the first one is the same reactant writing in the other position. First this is the work you have to do properly. What is the thing is you write this one. Afterwards to this meta position you are having one bond, and to the bond one side is 1, again you are having the 1, 2, 3. So here 1, 2, 3, and the next one is you are having this. So like that I am giving because almost all your answers this is in this format. So I have selected this format. You can do like that, means no problem. You can proceed as it is only, no problem at all. Okay, point number 1. So what is the first point is we have to add the water. So here it is takes in first step is called as a addition of water. Okay, now let me write this the addition of water. Addition of water, or I can say addition of H plus. And what is the mechanism is electrophilic mechanism. Now let me write what is happening is this one electron is moving towards here. So what charge will be having? Minus, and here it is the positive charge. Okay, if you are thinking other direction, the carbocation is primary. So this is possible where the carbocation is you are having your stable nature. So this direction you are taking. H plus you are going to add here. So first I did that. What is it called? Shifting of the pi electron towards the carbon. So minus that the H plus is going to occupy, and here it is the formation of positive charge. So let me write here. Okay, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yes. This is the place where we are not going to work. So leave it as you can do. Okay. This is the place you have to focus it. Okay, children. Now what is this here shifted, and here what is it called? Already previously it has CH2. Now it is CH3. So now what is it? Only on this you are having that positive charge. Why I am writing here that, or I can say it is CH3. Previously here it is CH2. Only double bond mean it is understood it is CH2. So now this is ready. So as I told, let me coming to the knowledge. This is, here it is hydrogen. Don't forget it is hydrogen. Very important knowledge. So now this carbon is, carbocation is, nature is secondary. Okay, here one carbon, here one carbon. So what is happening is from this, here one hydrogen is there. So this hydrogen is shifting here. So positive charge is shifting there. So I can say one hydride shift takes place. Okay, hydride shift. Okay, that is along with the bond it comes. Very important point. Okay, positive charge. Okay, now let me write here. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here wherever there is the changes you put with a concentration. Here what is it? On that you are having positive charge. Remaining benzene, just you draw it. Okay, your knowledge is focusing here. Okay, next one. What is the next one? Is you see here. This is again. This is carbon 1, 2, 3. Okay, wow. Yes, you put the hydrogen. Don't forget. Again and again. This is no problem. Already this CH3. So what is happening here? This is the nature is 1, 2, 3. That is your tertiary. What we expected tertiary. Next one you can see here. So this positive charge is moving here. Here also it is tertiary 1, 2, 3. So what is the difference is this tertiary, important point, this tertiary is more stable because of this resonance. Because here the conjugate position double and single bond there. So this tertiary is more stable than this tertiary. So this tertiary is going on. So again the what is called hydride shift. Hydride shift to getting tertiary to tertiary. Tertiary to more stable tertiary. That's all. This is the knowledge. Okay, here it is tertiary, again tertiary. So, what is here? Here it is 1. Here this one. This is the tertiary. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So, here one hydrogen is there. This hydrogen along with come here. Here. Okay, now let me here put it here. Yes. Yes. This is the ring. OCH3. So, here this is okay. Here hydrogen. Okay. CH3 you need not put, leave it. Okay. So now here there is a formation of positive charge. Okay. Now this is also tertiary. But what is the specialty is here it is stabilized by this is more stable than this because here because of resonance. Okay. Next point is what is the point next one is you have to add the water here. Okay. Next step addition of water. What is it? Water. Now let me here do it here itself. Okay, your water, oxygen. Yes, with a lone pair it is coming and attack here. So because of that, what we will get it? CH3. Yes, H. You can focus here. You here the one bond is here. Okay. So what is happening? The water is coming and attached. For our convenience, just I have elongated the bond. Okay. Now what is next one? Positive charge. So what is the next one? You have to remove the hydrogen. Now here itself I will remove it. The hydrogen is coming out. So the bond is shifting here. So now what is the final product you are getting is here there is a formation of OH bond. Again I am putting here you put water. Okay. The next step, this one with a positive charge. And the last step is, since last step here is I am completing, you remove the hydrogen is coming out. And this, what is that? Bond is moving here. So the charge is neutralized. Now what we are getting is formation of this is OH. As usual here it is a lone pair. So this is the product what we are getting. Okay children, now let us see. So how we can compare is benzene ring, OCH3. From here one carbon is coming, there OH is attached. Let us go here, see here. Benzene ring where the OH is attached. Now at the very important point, 1 minute please here. Please 1 minute. Here what is it? OCH3, the third carbon here. You are going to have the one carbon, there you are having 4 bond. You can see, yes. Here you are coming, you are having 4 mean that is not here. Okay, whereas here the same thing here. Whereas here, you are getting, this is the option, you can see here. Coming out one bond, that is from the meta position one bond, where you are having lying of the H as well as, that is called CH3 and this is. So this is the option. You can compare this one and this. Okay children, now with that I am concluding this question. Again I am repeating, this is the first point is, point number 1, reagent is indicating this hydration. Addition of water. So we focus on this place. And what is going on? Is going on towards the stability of carbocation. This is the rule. So now this is the knowledge. Now of course the work is over. I am cleaning it. It is convenient for you to follow it. Okay, how many shifts are happening here? Addition of hydrogen. One shift here. This is the one shift. Here it is the second shift. Here it is the second shift. 2 shifts are possible. After the second shift, the addition of water is happening. and a removal of hydrogen. Okay children, prepare well children. Thank you. Children, next question is AIMS 2018. Hydrocarbon, already I am telling 30 to 40% previous case question. Now let us see the reaction. In the given reaction HCl, that is we have to add the hydrochloric acid across the here. We are having provided the benzyl ring with the aromatic, of course, here double bond. Okay, what is our observation? First point, this reagent indicating the reaction is first tips is it is the addition reaction because the double bond is available. Whenever HX is added, what is the rule we have to think over is we have to think about the Markovnikov rule. This is the very important rule. What is the rule is here. So this is the second point. Now let us proceed the knowledge. So according to Markovnikov rule, what is the point is negative part of the addendum attached with the carbon which is having less number of hydrogen. Here you are putting CH, here also putting CH. So what indicates both the hydrogens are same. So now what is happening is, so next one is next point is it follows the mechanism is it follows the electrophilic addition reaction. That means from these two your H plus ion is going to attack the first. Okay, now let me write towards this minus charge is there. Here it is the formation of positive charge. This is of course I am removing. Okay, now what is happening? Let me go on attack here. Okay, now I am writing what is happening. Afterwards the product is. Okay, let us write 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is minus charge which is attacked. So on this carbon atom there is a formation of carbocation. So this is the first step is over. Okay, now here what is the next one is you have to add the Cl minus should come and attack. So meantime what we can see is now nature of this carbon is secondary. This carbon also secondary. So what is happening is one hydride shift is going to take place. One hydride shift is going to take place. From where? Here of course. This is 1, 2 hydrogens are there. One hydrogen is going to shift. Let me complete the hydride shift here. Then I will explain why it takes place. Yes. Here it is now formation of carbocation. Now this is after shift. So this is moving here, there. Then the positive charge is there. Okay, now after shift is over. Here also it is a secondary, of course. Now why this is the reason is here we can call it as a, now this the cation is called as a benzyl ion. That is very important point. Benzyl ion is the more stable than the previous carbocation. So here because of this resonance, this call it as a benzyl group. So benzyl carbocation is more stable. Here it is the positive charge is available, means it is not stable by resonance, but this is stable by resonance because this what is the electron is moving, conjugate system is supporting, so this is more stable. After formation of the stable compound, your Cl minus is going to attack here. Now the product is, you write your benzyl ring, yes, complete, and here you are going to the Cl. So from 1, 2, 3. Fourth carbon you are having the Cl. Go and see here. This is second carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your fourth carbon. So your option is B option. How you have to compare the answer also I am telling. So first you are completing mean don't confuse, just referring. Your as it is completed mean you have to find out the position. This is for only referring only. So you need to know about the rules. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one is Cl. Just you can go. 1, 2, it is not available. So this is, here it is 3. Okay, like that you can compare this time saving process children. Okay, with that I am completing today's video. Prepare well. Thank you children.